Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, let's take a look briefly on the gold market, because the major details of situation on the gold market we have discussed yesterday. Now we're just watching how it is developing. So in the two words, our major idea here stands with the first downward retracement and completion of the target of this bearish engulfing pattern. As we suggest, it should be deep retracement, but still it should stand inside of this swing, because this price action that we see on the daily, on the weekly chart, looks like almost perfect morning star pattern. Morning star is a bullish pattern and it works similar to engulfing, but as it stands on the weekly chart, here some kind of the pattern could be formed. Currently we could recognize some kind of the, I don't know, maybe it's head and shoulders, right? So it's left shoulder, head, it could be right shoulder, so something of that sort. Which means that later, as retracement due to this bearish engulfing will be completed, we expect upward reversal and at least some kind of the A, B, C, bottom, D pattern, or maybe this will be starting of the new spiral of the bullish trend. It's also possible, because in this case, market would not know what will be formed. Whether market will form here gutless triple to sell, for example, drop down, A, B, C, D retracement and downward continuation, right? Or it will be the butterfly. So it could become left wing of the butterfly, and it will start right wing, the market will move higher and extend of this top. Definitely there will be some driving factors for that action, and probably they will be political, or some maybe important fundamental events will happen. But currently we are mostly interested in how this reversal to the upside will happen and whether this will happen or not, because here market also could continue to move down, so could break this support, and right now market stands very close to the point where we should get the clarity for that. So if we'll take a look at the hourly chart, this is the pattern that we have talked about recently, and actually here we expect some kind of the appearing to maybe a hand shoulders pattern or something of that sort. So here's the point where market has chance to show deep retracement up and then start second leg to the downside. Currently, guys, it's a question whether this will happen or not, because here market could show the straight downward action. It will not break the overall setup, it will just change the shape. It's not really very important for us until you are intending to trade this to the upside. But personally, I'm not. Here, I do not want to take the long position with this minor leg up. It's more attractive for me, if this leg up will happen, is to take the short position here to ride on this possible ABCD pattern. So major question here is whether market will continue to move down straightforward, or we still will get this upward bounce. Let's take a look what we have here. Market right now stands at weekly pivot support 1. The only pattern that we could get here that could trigger reversal up, it seems that should be some kind of double repo buy the chart Napoli, because we have thrust down, close above the 3x3, here is close below, and if market will reverse up again, it will be close above. In this case, indeed, this double repo could trigger this upward action, maybe to the weekly pivot point, maybe slightly higher, to keep the harmony of this left shoulder, maybe something of that sort. Because all other patterns, I don't know what else could be formed here. We did not see some kind of the butterflies here, no head and shoulders or something of that sort, nothing. So that's why probably as on the euro currency, the only pattern that we could get that could trigger reversals will be double repo buy. But at the same time, market could drop here immediately. So that's why it's a really simple task for us. If you would like to trade this double repo potential, if it will be formed, well, you could try to do this, but personally, I'm really not intend to do that, because mostly currently, as you can see, market stands on the way down, and is forming ABCD retracement. That's why for me it's more attractive trying to take short here with the ABCD pattern based on the hand shoulders if this pattern will be formed. If not, if market will just drop further to the downside, this will make our life simpler. We're just waiting for the target, some point where market will start. Maybe it will complete ABCD, maybe it will be slightly lower, but we need to get some point where market will stop and start to form bullish reversal pattern. As soon as this will happen, that could become the starting point of this larger ABCD to the upside. That's approximately the trading plan that we should follow. So, but at the same time, as you can see on the gold market, it could be really a lot of different steps for trading. As I said, first is some kind of the hand shoulder, second ABCD up, maybe got a triple two, maybe butterfly will start forming. So a lot of patterns could be formed soon on the daily chart. Right now, all eyes on the situation on the hourly chart, what will happen. And again, if market will reach this area, we could think about taking short based on this ABCD. If not, and if market will drop directly lower, in this case we need to watch for some bullish reversal patterns around the 618 support, around this area. As soon as we will get it, we could think about taking the long position based on this extension. So that's simple.